on, Messi. We don't have time.
Start talking. Now.
You think Mbappe was the problem, but he's just a piece.
Sir, they're moving underground. Excellent. Let's go in.
Why do they have to me?
Because of what you know.
He doesn't know anything.
That's the problem. He does.
Go! Go!
We split here. It's the only way.
No! You're coming with us.
If they catch all of us, it's over.
Move! Go! Now! Drop to your knees! They believed in you? Every single word.